Alright, this is Mike Bossy, team leader of Team Pew Pew Pew. We're having image processing problems, and I figured you could help out. This is our setup currently, just as we troubleshoot it. That's our No IR version 2 Pi camera, and this is our best case background. We're going to have the lights on because lights will be on in the expo, and being fluorescent, these flicker. Alright, so the code, which I'm about to run, it does... It's going to take 5 frames when the laser is off and compute those as a reference frame. It's going to average them. Then when the laser is on, it's going to subtract or find the absolute difference of the reference frame and the current frame, and then from there it's going to do thresholding to try and find the laser, which does not work well, as you're about to see. It's grabbing the reference frame right now. Alright, here we go. This is what we got for a reference. I sent you this in an email, Mr. McGonigal. This is what's coming out of the camera right now. Those look essentially the same. And here's what's after the differences. I don't think you'll be able to see that, but it's on the, I emailed that to you as well. It's basically just a darker, almost color inverted image of what's out of the camera, which is surprising. This is our thresholded image, so there is a control panel here that is setting thresholds. It's very difficult to use, so in theory we would just use, we'd set everything to see everything, and then we just iterate through piece by piece. I will show you what I mean. So in theory, you would just take this, and then you'd push the value up until you just see the laser. Laser's on now. There it is. There it's showing up there. And there it is coming out of the camera, which you should be able to see. So in theory, you would just modify these threshold values until the only thing visible is the laser. It's made very difficult by the fact that it seems to flicker endlessly. And I know the laser doesn't flicker because the laser's on a fancy DC power supply right now. So it's something with the camera. I think it could be the overhead lights maybe, but we are not getting a reliable showing of the laser with which we could use to set the threshold values. I don't know. Any ideas? I'd appreciate it.